ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Swati Andharia. Hello children, how are you? Hope you are fine. Yes children, now we have already finished with comparison. First comparison, that is heavy and light. Yes children, do you remember? Heavy means the things which are heavy in weight, we called it heavy, and the things which are light in weight, we can hold with 2 fingers, that is light. Do you remember? Heavy and light. Yes children, just remember, what did I say last time? Heavy and light. Okay children, now after that we are having another comparison, that is fat and thin. Fat means the things which are big in size, we call it fat. Okay children, now some object I will show you. You can see what is this? Yes, what is this? It is a kettle. Yes, what do we do with this kettle? We fill it with tea. But the shape of the kettle, it is thin? No. What is it? Tell me, come on fast. Can you remember and tell me what is this? Shape of the kettle is? Very good. Tell fast. It is fat. What is it? The kettle is fat in size. Okay. Now, same way, I have a pencil. What do you do with the pencil? You go and writing and you do scribbling. But is the pencil fat? No, it is very slim. So, we tell it thin. What do we say? We say thin. Okay children, again, this kettle is fat. All of you repeat after me. The kettle is fat and the pencil is thin. Okay, same way. This bottle, can you see this bottle? Yes, the shape of the bottle and the size of the bottle, what is it? It is little fat, big in size. So we call it fat. All of you repeat after me. Come on children. Yes, it is fat. And the same way, I have another bottle over here. Can you see this bottle? It is thin in size. So we call it this bottle. What do we say? Come on, tell me. Yes, very good. It is thin. This bottle is thin. Okay children. Now some objects I am having on the board. We will see it. Have you seen fish? Where do fish stay? They stay in water. Where do we stay? The fish stay? They stay in water. So this fish, it is small? No, it is fat in size. What is it? It is fat in size. So this fish is a fat fish. What do we say? A fat fish. All of you repeat after me. A fat fish. Now again we are having another fish over here. The fish, you can see. Can you recognize how much the fish are? Both the fish, they are same? No. They are different because this fish is thin compared to this fish. This fish is thin. So we call it a thin fish. What do we call? All of you repeat after me. Yes, very good. A thin fish. What do we say? We say a thin fish. Okay children. Now another thing. Have you seen big books you are having? Your brothers and sisters, they are studying in higher secondary school and they are having big books. Have you seen your brother's book or sister's book? The shape of the book and the size of the book is big and your book is small. So, what do we call that book? Yes, very good. A fat book. What do we say? A fat book. All of you repeat after me. A fat book. And same way, we are having another book over here. Now, can you see what is the size of that book? Is it fat? Yes? No? Then what is it? Yes, it is a thin book. What is it? a thin book. Okay, again, a fat book, and this is a thin book. Okay, children? So, seeing the objects in your house, you study fat and thin. Okay, children? Thank you.